Hey guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to share a Google document with another Google user, and it's actually a lot easier than it sounds. So without any long complicated explanations, let's just get into it. So the first thing I'd suggest is opening up your browser and then going to drive.google.com drive.google.com, and then what you want to do is just sign in if you haven't already signed in. So just bear with me for a moment. Once you've signed into your account, we're going to locate the document that we want to share. Now for this account, I've got some demo folders up, and inside the ICT support folder, we have got nothing. There's nothing to share. So I'm going to make a quick document and then I'm going to share it. So I'm just going to go up to create and spreadsheet. Now what this file actually is, just paste some data, is an ICT support file. I encourage a lot of my clients to make those and then share them with me so teachers and staff members can log ICT issues that they have as they occur, versus going through some old method of writing issues in a book with pen and paper. But anyways, I'm just going to give this a name, ICT support issues. It's not useful issues. Okay, now there are two ways of sharing the file, and I'm going to show you them both. Now, if you look up here, it says all changes saved in Drive. That's because every time I make a change in Google, it saves it automatically. So I'm just going to close this document and go back to my Drives folder, and I want to highlight something. Here's my file. It's currently called ICT support issues, and there's nothing else next to the name. It's just a file. So if I wanted to share that, I could right click and then move to share and then click on share. Then all I do is just type in the email address of who I want to share it with. And then press enter. There are three different types of sharing. The first one is can edit, which means, hey, we're going to collaborate. I'm going to send you this share, and then you and I can edit the same document at the same time, which is cool. The other option is can comment. What that means is that person can look at your document and read the contents, and they can highlight areas and make comments on the side, but they can't actually edit your wording. And then lastly, we can say can view, and that's pretty much read only. So it's like, hey, can you check the spelling and then just email me? Then again, you'd probably want to have comments enabled for that. It's just if you want someone to read it. So you want to share a document with a lot of people for them to read without actually letting them edit. But because I'm going to make notes in that document, I'm going to say can edit. And then of course you can add a note which will appear in the email that Google sends to that person saying, hey, you've now been given access to this file. So for this example, edit stroke fix these ICT, oh that's not ICT issues. Typing sideways is a lot harder than I thought it would be. And then all you do is you click on send. And now I would like to show you something. I'm just going to refresh this page. And now if I look at the name of the document, it says ICT support issues, and next to it, it actually says shared. Now I'm going to click on that document and show you another way of sharing a file. Say you're in the file and you want to share it with someone. If you move over to the top right hand side, you can click share, and it actually currently tells us it's shared with one person. So I'm going to click on share, and then you can see it's shared with me. And then again I can type in anyone with a Google account at gmail.com. It's probably not an email address, hopefully it's not, but you pretty much can type in any person that's got a Google account. You can type in their email address, and again follow the same steps. Set, either edit, comment, can view, or type out a note, and then you click on send, and then it's going to tell me that it's shared with two people, but we're only going to share it with one for this example. And hit done, and that is how easy it is to share a document in Google. So again, you can either right click, go share, and click on share, or when you're in your document, you can click on share on the top right, and again type in the email address here, and then click send. Cool. Well, that's how easy it is, guys. I mean, Google Docs is such an easy platform once you get your head around it. What I'm actually going to do is start a video series in the very, very near future that's going to cover all the areas of Google Docs, from creating user accounts to sharing internal and external information, playing with the different apps, your spreadsheets, presentations, and the docs. But for now, that is how you share a file on Google. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you later on.